This video is going to show you how to add users to the client portal. First, go to the module User on the left-hand side under Account User Management. Select the users you want to grant access to and click on Edit. On the Client Portal account page, click on Add. Select the customer you want the user to have access to. Once you're done, click on Update. When the user logs into their WMS account, they can go straight to the client portal from here. So now they have access. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.